zero snoring. Like I'm silent
No,
when I
no,
sleep.
no sleep mask. Apnea
No,
mask.
I use a company called Hostage Tape. I'm sure there's other ones that are great, but the Hostage Tape makes me laugh.
Don't do it. Please don't tape your mouth while you're sleeping. It's going to lead to improved sleep, better muscle recovery, and a whole lot of other benefits. Just don't do it. But if you're wondering how to do it, let me show you. Get your hostage tape. That's all I use. Take a piece, stretch it, pop off the backing, and then just apply it.